What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing another twist out. I actually was going to try something new today and or a new product for my twist out, but I really didn't feel like filming. I was downstairs and I was like, oh, I don't feel like filming, so I'm just going to use whatever is downstairs and go with it. So I happen to shampoo my hair with the Miche shampoo. You guys know I've talked about that. I have a review on it. I'll link it. And when I was looking through my stash, I was like, downstairs, I was like, what can I use to style with? What can I use to style with? So I saw the Miche Quenched Hydrating Twisting Butter. Haven't used this for a really long time. I do have a review on it. It's actually a twist out side by side using this on one side and the bounce cream on the other side. I'll link it here as well. I don't have a whole lot left, but I do have some left that I need to use up. So I said, I'm just gonna put this in my hair and top it with the Miche Set Curl Defining Mousse that I had downstairs as well. You guys know that they sent me this new one because my other one, I thought the pump was broke, but come to find out it wasn't broke. So I gave my other one to my son. Y'all know he's gone off to college. We're not gonna talk about it. I am happy for him though. So anyway, I said, you know what? Let me do this and see how I like it. So I did not have my lavish leave-in down there. So I said, I'm gonna use this twisting butter basically as my leave-in. So that's what I did. In the shower, I put this twisting butter in as my leave-in and my hair feels really good. It feels really moisturized. So we're gonna see how it works with this mousse. Now look at that. That came out like that. The other one was watery, and when I got this one in and I tried this one, it was watery as well. So I'm not sure why it's doing it like this time, because I was like, man, this one is broke too. I remember specifically trying it and seeing that it was runny. So anyway, I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna go ahead and go with it for now. Hopefully it'll stay that way because I like it to come out like this in a foam versus those runny suds. So anyway, I said, let me try these two together and see how that works. See if I get the same moisture level that I get with the lavish. If I get more, see if my twist out looks better, shinier, if it has more moisture than, you know, the last time I used it. So yeah, so we're gonna see. So I'm just gonna do it, and like I said, I wasn't gonna film it because I'm like, well, they've already seen me use the mousse. I don't really feel like it. It's a rainy, gloomy day. I really didn't feel like doing my hair anyway, and so I just wasn't. And then I thought to myself, Rachel, you gotta twist your hair anyway. Go ahead and go up there and turn on the camera. You don't have to put it out if you don't want to, but if you do want to, at least you got the content. So I'm doing it. So hopefully somebody will find it entertaining, informative, and will watch it and like it. So hopefully, because this is a twisting cream, so it's supposed to have somewhat of a hold. We all know that the Mousse twisting cream is a very light, soft hold, and that's why it's not a fan favorite of a lot of people. But because you are supposed to be able to do twists with it and have it define your hair and everything, I'm hoping that that little bit of hold that it has, plus the hold from this mousse, will give a more defined twist out. We'll see, and see if the hold is better, lasts longer, and things like that. We'll see. So that is why I'm doing it, and hopefully it doesn't flake. So right now I did those first two. It looks like the mousse is soaking in quite nicely, and it looks like it's mixing okay with the hydrating twisting butter. So yeah, so I'm just gonna keep on going and you guys can watch.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart.
Guys, so I am finished putting in the twist and we're gonna see how it works out. So this is what it looks like. They look very nice and juicy. I like that they are staying pretty tight. You see that? See how tight and beautiful that is? A lot of times your twist loosen up after you twist your hair and get a little fatter. These are staying nice and tight and I like that. Let's hope it stays that way. I will say that this was foaming really well in the beginning, as you saw, and as I kept using it, it started to get a little less foamy. So now it's ready to drip where before it wasn't. See how it's running and it's getting the bubbles in it? That's what it did before, but it was even thinner. So I don't know if temperature has something to do with it, if the more you pump, if air is getting in, I don't know. So I tried shaking it and it still had the bubbles coming in. Like before, it didn't have those bubbles and it wasn't runny like that. So I don't know. I guess sometimes it's gonna foam and sometimes it's gonna bubble. So I did want to let you know that. That's it pretty much, guys. I am going to let my hair air dry and I'll be back for the takedown. I do want to let you know, if you're interested in these clips, I do have them linked below, or you can always check my Amazon store. I do have an Amazon store. I don't know how much you guys look at that. They're only in black and white. I do not have the colored ones. The colored ones are hard to find. I got those at Sally's. Sally's don't carry them anymore, but I did find the black and white ones, or something very, very similar to it, on Amazon. So check the Amazon store or check the link below. All right, that's it. I will see you when these twists are dry, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and my hair is dry. And guys, I am not gonna lie, my twists feel really good. They feel really good right now. So before I get too excited, let's go ahead and just start taking out these twists, and we're going to see how this combination held up. So let me take out these twists real quick. All right guys, so I got the twist out, and as you can see, it's very defined. It's defined, but it's soft, and it's so defined that when I was trying not to pull it apart so much, but when I don't, I feel these big clumps, and it feels like it's a twist. But then when I go in, it's like, okay, it's not a twist. I did take it out. It's just a big fat clump. So if I separate them, my hair definitely will get bigger, but I'm also going to get more frizz. So I was thinking about, I was trying to leave, you know, some of them in so I could preserve some of the definition. But every time I feel it, I feel like there's a twist. So I probably will just go ahead and separate them. And if I get frizz, I'll just get frizz, because it's not bad frizz. Okay, so in this front part, I don't know what it's doing. I know what it's doing. I twisted it differently than I normally do. I twisted it kind of back, and I normally twist it kind of to the front, but I was trying to keep it from hanging in my face when it dried, because that's annoying. And anyway, I twisted it in a weird direction, so of course it looks crazy right now, but it'll get better. It'll fall. I am going to kind of loosen these up on the top so they don't look so defined. That's my preference. If you liked how it looked before, then you leave yours, but I want mine to be a little bit more, like, I don't want to see on the top of my head a whole lot of waves, I guess. I'd rather make it look a little bit more lived in on the top, but that's what I like. So you guys do what you like, especially if you need yours to last a week for work. I don't need that. I can wear mine for, you know, 4 days and wash it and be fine, because that's what I'm used to. But if I end up going 5 or 6 days, I'm okay with that too. And if it looks bigger, like bigger and bigger and bigger, I'm okay with that. But if you like more uniform because you're in a workplace and it makes you feel more comfortable, and that's just how you like it, then don't separate yours so much. Keep them clumped together more, so you alleviate the frizz that you're gonna get. But I still got a lot of definition, as you can see, even though I am separating it. Okay, so enough. I think that's enough for now, so I can go ahead and get to the products. Yeah. All right, let's talk about the products. So what I used in my hair, as you know, is the Miche Quenched Hydrating Twisting Butter as my leave-in, and I went on top of that with the Miche Set Curl Defining Mousse. So these are my results. Guys, I like it. As my twists were drying, I felt like they dried tight, and I think I said that in the previous clip when it was wet and I had just finished twisting it up. I was showing you how tight and uniform the twists look. So I really like that, and I felt like they dried that way. I felt like they just stayed moisturized to the touch while they were drying for the last couple days, and they still had somewhat of a healthy look to them. So my hair right now looks very healthy. It doesn't look overly shiny or anything, but it definitely looks healthy. It is soft, but you can tell that there is some hold to it, but it's a very soft hold. There's no crunch whatsoever. It is a mousse hold, basically. So if you've tried a lot of different mousses, you kind of know that the hold that you get from a mousse, it is that. And as you can see, it did definitely define the hair. So I do feel like that the twisting cream gave this mousse just a little bit extra oomph as far as hold. So these two together, I think, work nicely. I'll talk later about the moisture as the days go on, because I don't know how long it'll last. But man, look at these clumps. I keep feeling like they're twisting my hair. So let me separate these real quick. But you see the definition? You see the definition. You see the definition. There we go. And I really hate to talk about these products so much, because once these are gone, it's probably gonna be it for Miche, for me. But anyway, I think it does give it extra definition. So I think this is a good combination. Yeah, I like it. So I would say, you know, try these two together. They didn't flake. I have on dark blue today instead of black, but there are no flakes on my shirt. So nice combination. Nice combination. My hair feels light. It doesn't feel real heavy or weighed down because I used the twisting cream. It still feels light and airy. So yeah, I like this combination. I would say if you have these two on hand in your stash, go ahead and give them a try together. See how you like them. Do I feel like you need to go out and buy these two to get a good twist out? No, I don't. I feel like you can still use the mousse if you have it with a leave-in, or a different cream probably would work just as well. If you have just the twisting butter and you feel like it just does not give you the hold that you need, and you have another mousse on hand, I'd say try that mousse on top of it. You probably will get a similar look. So do you have to actually put these two together? If you don't have both of these, do you need to go out and spend the money on both of these? I wouldn't say you had to. If you have one or the other, I think you could still get a pretty good twist out. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you follow me over on my other platforms. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.